Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain who should take protein powder. Protein powder can be a valuable supplement for many. Athletes and active individuals often use it to support muscle recovery and growth after intense workouts. Older adults might find it beneficial for maintaining muscle mass and strength as they age. Furthermore, those following vegetarian or vegan diets can use it to ensure adequate protein intake. People recovering from injuries also benefit from its role in tissue repair. Let's explore the different types of protein powder available. Whey protein, derived from milk, is popular for its rapid absorption, making it excellent for post-exercise recovery. Casein protein, also milk-based, digests slowly, offering a steady supply of amino acids over several hours. For those with dietary restrictions, plant-based options like pea, rice, or soy protein are fantastic. Many blends combine these for a comprehensive amino acid profile. Now, let's discuss how to use protein powder effectively. A common approach is to mix 1 or 2 scoops with water, milk, or into a smoothie. For optimal muscle recovery, consuming it within 30 minutes to 1 hour after your workout is often recommended. It can also serve as a convenient meal replacement or a high-protein snack to help you reach your daily protein targets. Always adjust your serving size to match your personal goals. Before incorporating protein powder, consider a few important points. Always consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Opt for reputable brands that undergo third-party testing to ensure product quality and purity. Pay attention to ingredients like added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Remember, protein powder is a supplement. It should complement, not replace, a balanced diet rich in whole food protein sources.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.